The discovery of iron was a pivotal moment in human history, marking a significant turning point in the development of civilization. Iron, a metal found in the Earth's crust, revolutionized the way people lived, worked, and interacted with one another. Its impact was felt across various aspects of life, from agriculture and transportation to warfare and social dynamics. One of the primary reasons iron was so significant was its durability and strength. Compared to earlier metals like copper and bronze, iron was more resilient and could withstand harsher conditions. This made it an ideal material for tools and weapons, allowing for more efficient farming, hunting, and self-defense. Iron plows, for example, enabled farmers to till the soil more effectively, leading to increased crop yields and food security. Iron also transformed the transportation landscape. Iron horseshoes and nails enabled the construction of sturdier wagons and carts, facilitating trade and commerce over longer distances. This, in turn, contributed to the growth of cities and the emergence of complex societies. Furthermore, iron played a crucial role in warfare. Iron swords, spears, and armor gave warriors a significant advantage on the battlefield, leading to the rise of powerful empires and the expansion of territories. The increased availability of iron also led to the development of new military tactics and strategies. The discovery of iron also had significant social implications. As iron tools became more widespread, social hierarchies began to emerge. Those who controlled access to iron resources and technology held power over those who did not. This led to the development of complex social structures, with iron workers and blacksmiths playing critical roles. In addition, iron facilitated the growth of specialized labor and trade. As iron tools became more common, people were able to focus on specific skills and crafts, leading to the emergence of distinct professions and guilds. The impact of iron was not limited to practical applications, it also had cultural and symbolic significance. Iron was often associated with strength, power, and masculinity, influencing art, literature, and mythology. The discovery of iron in ancient Vedic India, around 1200 BCE, had a profound impact on the civilization, transforming various aspects of life, from agriculture and warfare to social dynamics and cultural practices. Iron tools, such as plows, sickles, and axes, revolutionized farming, enabling more efficient tilling, harvesting, and processing of crops. This led to increased food production, population growth, and settlement expansion. Iron weapons, like swords, spears, and armor, gave Indian warriors a significant advantage over their bronze-wielding counterparts. This enabled the expansion of kingdoms, consolidation of power, and defense against invaders. Ironworking and blacksmithing emerged as prestigious occupations, leading to the development of new social hierarchies and guilds. The control of iron resources and technology contributed to the rise of powerful clans and kingdoms. Iron's strength and durability inspired mythological and symbolic associations with strength, courage, and masculinity. The Rig Veda, a Vedic text, mentions iron as a symbol of divine power. Iron tools facilitated trade, commerce, and urbanization. The increased availability of iron enabled the growth of crafts such as metallurgy, carpentry, and textiles, contributing to economic prosperity. Iron's strength enabled the construction of more robust buildings, temples, and monuments, showcasing India's architectural prowess. In conclusion, the discovery of iron in ancient Vedic India had far-reaching consequences, transforming various aspects of life, from agriculture and warfare to social dynamics and cultural practices. Iron's impact was felt across the civilization.